Still wasting hours fixing messy Excel data? Stop right there. Today I'll show you 5 powerful data cleaning tricks every office worker, student, and data analyst should know. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with something simple but extremely powerful: removing duplicates. You might be looking at a customer list that seems clean, but behind the scenes, duplicates are hiding everywhere. To fix it instantly, first select your list or entire table. Then go to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates, and hit OK. And just like that, Excel keeps only the unique values. Ever typed a perfectly correct name into VLOOKUP and still got no match? Most of the time, it's not the name, it's the hidden spaces you can't see. Fix it instantly with trim. In a new column, type equals trim. Then open parenthesis, select the messy cell, let's say A2. Close the formula, and hit enter. Excel cleans up leading, trailing, and extra spaces automatically. Copy the results. Paste them as values. And your VLOOKUPs and XLOOKUPs will work perfectly. Ever received a column where the name and department are mashed together? Let's clean that up in just a few clicks. Select the entire column of combined text. Go to the Data tab, and choose Text to Columns. Pick Delimited, and click Next. Select the separator you need, here it's the comma. Hit Next. Choose your destination cell, for example B1. Click Finish. Just like that, Excel splits the data into 2 clean columns, name on the left, department on the right. Flash Fill is perfect for cleaning and transforming data in seconds. Let's say you've got a column of full names, and you want to pull out just the first names. In the next column, type Olivia for the first row. Press Enter, then type James for the second. By the third row, Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and suggests the rest. Just hit Enter to accept. Or, type the first name in the first cell. Then press Ctrl+E. Flash Fill completes the entire column automatically. You can repeat the same steps to extract last names, clean emails, format phone numbers, or transform anything with a consistent pattern. Email lists are often the messiest part of any dataset. Here's an example. To clean all of these instantly, type this formula. Here's what each part does. Substitute removes every unwanted space inside the email. Trim cleans up any leftover leading or trailing spaces. Lower converts everything to clean, professional lowercase. Hit Enter, and just like that, you've got a perfectly formatted email list. Ready for your CRM, newsletter, or email marketing tool. If these data cleaning tricks helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with your coworkers, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick and practical Excel tutorials.